could you have a roast beef sandwich?
Thank you. I don't know what you're talking about.
Thanks for being on the show. Well, first I'd like to say thank you for letting us interview you.
No problem. I'm a big fan of yours.
Alright, well, let's get started. When you made the sandwich, did you use a lot of mayonnaise?
Yes, I use mayonnaise.
How much mayo are we talking here?
If I had made the sandwich, I would have used a healthy amount.
What about mustard?
No mustard.
Are you sure? Because when I make a sandwich,
There was no mustard on the sandwich.
So I can get you on the record saying that there was no mustard on the sandwich, is that right?
Absolutely.
I'm gonna move on because I can tell you're uncomfortable. Now I'm gonna give you a chance to respond to all the people that say that this is your confession.
Listen up, America, because I'm only going to say this one time. I did not make a roast beef sandwich.